So I put the factory prop back on, just in case I nose over. I don't want to break a wooden one at this stage. Doesn't get much better than this now, guys. The overcast sky, which is good. No sun in my eyes, although I will wear sunglasses. And look at that windsock, 6 miles an hour, dropping. Okay, hook on. Right, here we go. The moment of truth for the dancing wings, FOKKER DR1, built by Cliff. CAG's okay, I think. Crumbs. I'd full right aileron, nothing was happening.
And I opened the throttle, and as you can see, it veered to the left, so I gave it some right rudder. It swung beautifully to the right. I was up and clear. It felt really responsive, and I got to here and I was starting to feed in right aileron and nothing was happening. At that stage I should have fed in right rudder, but I shut the throttle and waited for the impact.
Well, the motor's ejected, that's okay. That's pulled off, that's okay. Broke the prop.
Might have been engine torque, it was taking you left all the time.
That slipped. I've lost a horns pulled out in the in the crash, I guess. Crack that, that's okay. Got a horrible
Bit of a ding.
It's pulled off there, that's easy repair.
Yeah, it's not too bad.
It's not too bad. Oh, snapped my tail skid, yeah, my wingtip skid. That one snapped.
So you got nose down? Taking it left.
I wonder if that horn pulled out, because they're only glued in.
Right, aren't you?
You know, that wouldn't have helped.
No.
One aileron, but I didn't. In my panic, I didn't use rudder.
Yeah.
Sometimes, perhaps I should have coupled the rudder in.
Yeah, don't hurt.
No.
Oh, need your prop.
Something's come loose there. Yeah. Oh well. As Roger says, that rubs the newness off. Most of it's easy repair. That one's a bit more challenging. Take a little bit more thought. I wonder if that... Well, let's evaluate the video, see what we can learn from it. It's awful when a model goes in like that though, isn't it? It'll all repair up okay. Right, let's get it disconnected and evaluate the video. These things happen. These things happen. Glad I didn't put the wooden prop on though. Lives to fly another day. Okay. No bits on the floor to worry about. That's a little bit we'll take. Thanks for watching, guys. Hit the like button if you enjoyed that, and follow along for the attempt number 2 soon.